This portion of graft passage of the ACL reconstruction, the suture through the tunnel, the graft has now just been passed. The bone plug is now in the femoral tunnel, as you can see illustrated here. This will be followed by a guide pin, which is introduced between the bone plug and the femoral tunnel. In this case, a 7x20 metal interference screw is utilized to provide interference fixation, and it's introduced in the same line as the tunnel, and the graft passage is not to incarcerate or cut the graft or transect the bone plug. Here the screw is being introduced with a cannulated screwdriver. Once this is completed, we then ensure that the graft itself is fixed well and that it's positioned well and that no notch impingement occurs. Here we can see the final Achilles allograft fixation in a well-positioned ACL reconstruction.